Yo, so we're on day 2 of one of my developments in Upper Hutt. It's going to be a 3-lot subdividable. We've worked out a plan to keep the old house exactly where it is, and the boys are inside. They've already ripped out a couple of walls. Right now I'm standing in lot 2. A 2-bedroom unit's going to go here, and then over there we've got another 2-bedroom unit. So the new builds are both 2 bedrooms and they're 60 square meters each. We've put a few nice touches in them, such as level entry tiled showers. Both living areas are going to have cathedral ceilings. They both have their own separate off-street parking and nice little landscaped areas. Being a corner section, we can optimize this section a little bit different than we would if it was a long, narrow thing where you have to put a right-of-way all the way up one side. That means that we have able to keep the existing house where it is. Upper Hutt's just a stone's throw away. Well, maybe more than that stone, but we're going to chuck up a drone and show you, like, just over there we've got the train station, we've got all the local amenities. Awesome sun. I'm standing here right now and I'm drenched in sun. Sun rises over there, sets over there. The original plan for this site was to bowl it and do 7 units. 4-unit block there and a 3-unit block here. They were going to be 2-story. There was going to be no off-street parking. Given some changes in the market, we adapted a different plan, and I pushed really hard to keep the existing house where it was. So although we're not getting maximum yield out of the site, it's a much simpler subdivision. We can keep the existing house where it is. That means we kept someone in it for much longer. And then at the other end, as soon as we've got title, we can sell the existing house, which makes the lending process for the subdivision much less onerous, a smaller amount of money to get the project across the line. There was already a 7-lot resource consent approved, and we made variations to that to get a 3-lot subdivision approved. Building consent documents are in, and the subdivision services are now going in for what's called engineering approval. Engineering approval is where we show, hey, this is how we're going to connect into the water main, this is where the sewer's going, this is where the stormwater's going, this is where the driveway crossings are going, these are the heights of all those things. Basically, they want to make sure all of that stuff's done legit and properly, no questions asked. So existing house has 3 bedrooms and we're giving that a refresh. Yeah, so we're talking new bathroom, new flooring. We've got a landscaping plan. I've had a meeting with the landscape designer and we've got some decks, some planting, basically making sure the inside and outside connect with each other. One of the other strong points pushing me to keep the house was that it had a relatively new kitchen installed. It's got stone benches, it's got new appliances. Yeah, we could have ripped it out and we could have sold it, but it's just, the kitchen's the heart of the home and the heart's already good, so we might as well just tidy up everything else around it. We're in the bathroom over there and we've ripped out the wall between the two, and the bathroom will get a total makeover. The laundry over here was this pokey little cupboard and had been cut in half. We've removed that, reverting back to the original laundry. Yeah, and you could only access it from outside. We have resolved that issue and now you've got heaps of storage, heaps of room. It'll be a great family home. As well as all the guys on site, we've got Nicole here coming through, working out things like, we're just talking about carpet colors and whether in the bathroom we do a tile look vinyl or a wood look vinyl, what's going to go on the walls, what's getting kept, how the inside interacts with the outside. It's a team effort. We do all the building work, she makes it look and feel like a home.
Yeah, I guess so. It definitely needs new carpet, but all the old hardwood floors are really cool. So it's just keeping costs down while making it look nice.
Right now, while we're waiting for building consent on the 2 brand new houses, we are going to crack on with the reno inside. We're going to do as much work as we can in there. We're going to remove the garage over there. We've found someone to give that to for free. They're turning up this weekend and taking it away. Win, we're recycling it, and someone else is doing the hard work for us. How's that not a win? And then we're going to get the digger in, give everything a nice scrape and clean. We're going to get base course down, and then it's ready for us to start all that fun building action. So if you haven't already, go ahead, click subscribe and follow along with another development start to finish.